Hello everyone, welcome back. Restly another video. In this video, I will discuss about Restly Service Box add-ons. For discuss the job or discuss this about these add-ons, you need to go to your Elementor backend page and select your Restly Service Box and paste here. Then you see this is Restly Service Box. Here we use text style. I just, for example, I just use box one. You see, this is two style, a general style and hover style. Okay, normal content. You see, this is this is normal content, and here if you want to use icon normal content like this, suppose this is normal content, I use this. Okay, you see, this is add. Okay, I don't need this right now. And here is title IT management. If you need to change this, just click here and edit this. Okay, then title tag I use h3, and if you need you use h2 or you like. And content, this is content. For example, I just remove this content. You see, this is nothing here right now, and this is content. Okay, this is general normal content area. And hover content, like this is hover content. You see, uh, IT management name, and here is preparing for your business. This is uh, preparing for your success with IT solution. This is a title. Okay, if you want to change this, just remove this for your key. You see, this is nothing right now. Okay, then I add this. You see this one, and here is h2 tag and content. Learning if some dots, like I remove this. You see, this is remove right now. Okay, and I add right now. And button link, this is button, this is button. Learn more, this is button. uh Here is button, learn more button text, and you want to add a button link like www.prestly.com. Okay, you see, here is add a button link. Okay, I don't use this right now. And of this is content style. Then style, then is style. Here is style, box style. This is box style. Box alignment, box alignment. And background type, need to change background color. This is background, general background change. I don't need to use this right now. You see, border type slide none, and dotted, see, dotted border type none. Okay, border radius of border radius, and margin padding also. Hover box, I mean this is hover box. Hover box alignment. See, alignment, I use right alignment. Okay, left alignment is okay. Okay, and border type, background type, change the background color. Okay, change the background color, use default. And color image, you want to use a image on your hover background like this. Let's see, this is background image. Okay, background type, border type. See, border type. Okay, I don't use border. Margin and padding. Finally, advanced all are same, every add-ons. I hope you already know this. uh Thank you.